de toda la navegación que realizamos. Usted puede ver su ubicación en el mapa, puede ver en el modo de guía satelital, puede visualizar el tráfico, también puede ver su histórico. Por ejemplo, el día de ayer en él figura la fecha, la hora, la velocidad promedio. También
call for help.
No, I kill you. Don't kill me. I'm fighting you. Keep driving. Keep driving.
Know when your car has been hit or moved. Know when your car has been broken into.
Hello, so this is Cadot 2019 new product Bluetooth column system. First, let me introduce standard composition. 2 normal remoters, 1 piece main unity, 1 piece shock sensor, 1 piece key star relay, 1 piece column serial. Okay, and this is the main cables. 1 piece alarm LED. And we have left a GPS port for future use. Okay, this is standard compositions about Bluetooth column system. Thank you. Hello, this is column remoters. I will introduce the basic functions. First, let me show you. Knock. Turn light will blink 1 time, and actuator will move 1 time, and unlock, flash 2 times, and this actuator will move again. This is a sound a night alarm, lock unlock, sound lock unlock. Now let me repeat that. Under the mute mode, the third button, this one. This is the first button, lock. The second button, unlock. The third button, this one. Maybe it is serial icon, maybe it is not. Okay. For this remote, it is mute icon. Okay. 1 time, press 1 time. Okay. You only find it is blink 1 time, but serial, it is soundless. Okay. Now let me show you. Unlock 2 times. It is mute. It is silent. Okay, lock, moves, unlock, moves, and turn light, blink 2 times. This is mute function, mute arm and disarm function. Thank you. Mute mode. I will turn mute mode to sound mode. Okay. Press this, the third button, again, it will become sound mode. Okay, yeah, successful. Now, let me verify this function for you. Unlock, BB, you will hear BB sound from serial, and the actuators will move, and turn light will flash 2 times. Lock, unlock. Okay, good. Now let me show you. Remote, open trunk. Hold the lock button for 3 seconds. Hold this one. This turn light, it will have. Yes, successful. It has trunk output signal. Okay, this is for open trunk, remote open trunk. And lastly, I show you find the car feature. The third button, hold it for 3 seconds, and the siren will make 5 times sound, and turn that will make 5 times blinks. Now let me demonstrate this feature. Okay, hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good. Thanks. Bye bye. Hello, this is Jason. I come from Shenzhen CarDuty. Now I will introduce Bluetooth car alarm shock sensor alarm feature. As you can see, this is shock sensor. Okay, now this system is in arm. I will trigger alarm. You will hear 5 times siren and 5 times night blinks. I will show you now. I click 1 time. Beep, 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 beep. 5 times. 5 times for night blinks. 5 times for siren sound. Okay. Now I will trigger it again. Siren will make a long time sound. Okay. I click again. It will make a long time sound. Okay. You only press unlock. As you can see in this video, when it is triggering alarm, our system is in arm. It will cut oil, and this LED is off. I press unlock. It disarm. Hello, I will show you Saturday trigger alarm. Under some situations, someone wanted to steal your car. In arm, he wants to open the car door illegally. Our system will make alarm. Now in this video, I will show you our system side trigger alarm. It will protect your car from stealing. Okay. Now in arm, okay. Let me simulate the anti-safety effecting. Okay, this is side trigger alarm negative. So I use this blue cable to touch the ground. After arm, you need to wait almost 50 seconds and then trigger alarm. Okay, now let me touch the ground. Okay, maybe you need to wait some time. Okay, if you bought CarDuty GPS module, you will get the SMS for calling notification. Our system will call your mobile phone. This mobile phone is an example, and I will show you in the video. Okay, now ground. Okay, so on. It must be on. Please wait almost 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Okay. Because when you lift the windows, it will make an alarm. This alarm is what you want. So you need to wait almost 15 seconds. Now I use this side negative. I touch the ground. Yes, you will hear beep beep sound. Yes. The turn light is blinking constantly. Siren make no sound, and you will get the SMS alarm and for calling to this mobile phone. Please wait some time. Yes, this is for calling. it make alarm and your mobile phone will get alarm notification. Let me trigger again. And this earlig open door alarm. Earlig open door alarm. You will get SMS and for calling. Okay. This is a side trigger now. Introduction. Thank you. Now it is in arm status. I will show you. I'll show you the earlig start alarm. This ACC. ACC is 12 pound. So I use this wire cable. This ACC cable touch the 12. Touch 12. Our system will make alarm, and our system will cut the engine, and your mobile phone will get a SMS notification, and mobile phone will get the full calling. Now I show you. Beep beep beep, make alarm. Just like you are start engine illegally. Okay, and you will get illegal start alarm. This is SMS, right? And you will need to get the full calling. This is full calling alarm phoning, and the illegal start alarm. This is alarm. This is a full calling. Okay, this is illegal start alarm function introduction. Thank you. Okay, good. Okay. I know. If you bought a CADO GPS module, this is Bluetooth car alarm. This is Bluetooth keyless entry. If you bought a GPS module from CADO, you can use APP operate. Now I will show you. This is actuator. This is APP. CADO APP. No, but as for this product, no start-stop function. Only lock unlock GPS location, GPS history, and for monitoring operation code record, like unlock trunk horn. I will show you this function in this video. This actuator, I unlock, lock, okay, lock, yes, actuator moves, unlock, yes, moves, and trunk, okay, put it on the desk. This is trunk open, trunk, night, okay, working. This is finding car, yeah, finding car. Slide the second page. This is GPS. GPS, we are in Zhenmei, Gongchang Road, near the Gongchang Road. Okay, we are here. This is GPS ID. Okay, GPS. We are in Shenzhen big city. Okay, Guangdong province. Okay, Dongguan. We are near to Dongguan. This ID. Okay, get it back. This is voice monitoring. This is operation record. Finding car, trunk release, unlock, unlock. Okay. But as for this product, now stop. Okay, now start.